Alright everyone, here we are for another little update. I got the rotor hatch drilled out, got the new hub assemblies with ARP studs all on, ready to go. Calipers are all mounted, nice and tight. See my Viking coilovers in there. This fender's not on yet, but give you a little peek of the inside. It's a wreck because I'm still having to mount my shifter and cable, and I still have to do the hydro. That'll be soon though. There's the back Ford Performance hub assemblies with the ARP wheel studs, BAER drag brakes. Walk over here. There's the passenger side carbon fender. Rear shocks are still sitting on the ground. I have to pull the I have to pull the rear subframe out. I broke one of the bolts, so I gotta fix that. I found another little problem that I wasn't expecting to run into. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see, where is it? I don't know if this phone is gonna pick it up or not. But if you look right there. Come on. Focus phone. It's not going to pick it up. Right here on the bottom of the knuckle. I can show you on this side. Right here on the bottom knuckle. It's got this little ear sitting on it. And it's hitting the wheel. So I grounded it off. I ground it off. And got the wheel to fit a little better. Well, it's still hitting. So I have to get me just a probably 1/4 inch spacer that they sell at the auto parts store. Just to bring it off a little bit so it's not hitting. I'm still going to grind the ear off on the other side. But that's it for now. Both fronts are on. This is just... I got 2 of the lug nuts on, holding front and rear. I just wanted to test to see, make sure everything cleared. Front's good. It's still hitting. I think there's a sensor. No, it's this little zip tie. Hitting this little zip tie here. But that's everything I got for you guys going on right now. Just a little update. Got everything done that I wanted to do today. Hub assemblies are all on. Brakes and rotors are all done. Gonna start putting the fenders on. Hook my brake lines up on the front. I still gotta pull, like I said, pull the rear subframe out on the back. And then the only thing I have to do on the back is just connect the brake lines, run the hydro. Trans is in it, but the drive shaft's not, obviously. Put the trim back on, front bumper. Have to put the trans cooler, which I think I'm going to put right here in this corner. Clean up this rat's nest of wiring here. I think the trans cooler is going to look good there. Not too much longer, guys, and everything will be put back together. If you got any questions or any comments, maybe suggestions on things that maybe I should do, or while I got it apart, let me know. Leave it down in the comments below. Thank you, guys.